Kindly off the service lang po para
Happy birthday, Kel. Yan gift ko sa'yo. Alam ko matagal mo nang pinaawinan sa bahay. Pwede mo na sila mamaya. Ingat ka palagi. Galingan mo sa school.
Picture,
Thank you
picture.
so much, Ma'am Kylie. For our next gift, may we call on Prince Matthew Arcega. Wow. Thank you so much, Prince. Okay, for our third gift, may we call on Sophia Rain Bellarmino.
Sabi ko nga ako ba rin eh.
para kay Sel. Ayan, thank you so
Uy, Pia, picture.
Alright, for our fourth gift, may we call on Keisha Nicole Santana.
Ayun.
Picture.
Thank you so much, Keisha. For our fifth gift, may we call on Christine Claire Bagtas.
Ating message na lang para sa ating birthday celebrant.
Picture, picture.
Picture, Yasha.
Smile. Ang cute ni Yesha.
Thank you so much, Christine. And next, may we call on Samantha Nicole Yangson. Thank you so
Picture.
much, Samantha.
Picture.
And for our seventh gift, may we call on Erin Chill Brigantino.
Shile.
Alright, once again, our seven gifts. Kylie, Prince Matthew, Sophia, Keisha, Kristen, Samantha, and Erin. Ay,
Wait
dito
lang,
na
tsaka
naman
lang.
tayo sa harapan.
Yesha. Pia. Matt, tingin ka dito. Smile. Ay,